Let's start our session for today, and the outline will be like we will first discussing the TSX index, and then we will discuss NASDAQ, and after that we will pick on few of the stocks that we commonly trade in. Like I will first two stocks I will pick from my own, and then I will take the stock that you guys have requested. I'm gonna discuss Tesla and Shopify, and after that few stocks that have already been requested by the team members like Air Canada, Neo and some others. So we will be discussing those stocks, and while we discuss, you if you have any questions you can ask them. You ask those questions and you can mention your stocks in the chat list, and we will take it from there. So let's formally begin on the TSX index. The graph is in front of you is for the TSX composite index, and this graph is little interesting in a sense. Like if previously this the index closed at 16,282 level, which was a little lower than the previous session, and index has shown a little bit resistance at this stage. By the way, the next resistance level for the index is 16,500. If you can see here along my cursor, 16,518, which will be 78% resistance level, retracement level. So 16,500, which is like 300 points more. So either it can cover in like not one really, maybe it will take like two more sessions if it goes straight forward. And after this US election has been won by Joe Biden, and so it will have probably a positive impact on few of the companies like tech companies, as we were discussing earlier today. And so the next level for this is 16,500. If US market goes up, so TSX will also go up. But we have a resistance at 16,500 level, which is like seems to be very strong resistance. And if we draw a trend line here to see how this index is moving, it looks like something like that. So since we have a very strong positive news of the US elections, so it is probable that this will cross this resistance line of 16,500. The other point which is very important to note here is that the index here is forming some sort of pattern. This pattern, although we haven't discussed that this pattern in our previous educational sessions, but I can give you a little background of this, that this pattern is some sort of or like very close to double bottom pattern. So if we look here, there's one bottom here, and then it reaches top, and then another bottom. So these are the two bottoms. If this high crosses the previous high of this level, so it would mean that there will be an increase in the index. There will be a sudden rise in the index, which will be like approximately to the levels of this much, almost these levels. So it has tendency to go up further at 17,600 level if everything goes fine and there is no bad news in the market. So this can be the ultimate target as per this pattern. So why we are saying this? Because of this double bottom. Whenever this double bottom pattern is formed, the index has a tendency to rise. But for this to happen, what is the prerequisite criteria? That this index, which is currently at 16,200 level, must cross this level of 16,796 or roughly 16,800 level with volumes. If this level has been broken, the next target is this 17,500 level. So, but we have a little resistance here, not a little, actually a strong one. But if index manages to cross this level with the new news in the market, so the next target will be on the higher side. On the flip side, the downside of the index is at 15,300 level. If it starts falling down, you will see it come. It will take a support at a first support at a level of 16,000 to 16,200, and then the next support at 15,700, and then ultimately 15,300 will be the support level. But being a positive news spread in the market, so index is most probably going in the upward direction. Anything, Vivek, you want to add here?
Even your RSI is favoring it to go up. So that is another
Yes,
reason it should go up.
exactly. And the volumes as well, which for last
Volumes
three
as well,
sessions,
yes.
volumes are up. Exactly. So RSI.
But Tahir, I'm expecting a dip in the morning, a
Mhm.
small correction just to trap the operators and then move up. That is what I expect Monday morning. First 1 hour should be a dip.
Yeah, first 1 hour will be, you would say, very
Or it will be
crucial.
volatile. Yeah, it will be crucial.
Yep.
Because after that, it will shoot to 17,000. Your figures are right.
Yes,
17,000.
this is the ultimate target for the index.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the first session, let's see where the market goes on Monday. If the market has a positive tendency, so the targets are like 17,000 plus 17,700 is the target level for the upcoming days. So this is this news is a very strong positive news, which will act as a catalyst, and ultimately it will bring the index towards the new highs. So that's what we are expecting.
True.
So yeah, let's move on to NDX and this NASDAQ 100 index. This has also the same pattern. If you see this, almost the double bottom pattern here, almost you can say, and then here. So if index manages to crosses this level, the next levels for this will be, let's see, the next level should be 13,450 approx. So these should be the next levels for NASDAQ 100 index. So this is also, at the resistance level, the immediate resistance is 12,170 around, and currently we are at 12,091, which is very close, and more likely it will be broken in the next session. So once this is broken, so ultimate target will be 13,450, and then it will have a positive impact on TSX index as well. So the index is supporting, the technicals supporting the index, the fundamentals are also strong, the news is positive and strong. So most likely the index will make new highs on in the coming week, and the same will flow to our TSX index as well, and TSX index will also make new highs as well. So volumes, I don't know, there is some error here. The volumes are not being shown, but the RSI has a tendency to go up, and it will be going up as well. We have a chat here. Okay, we will take these stocks. Okay, guys, this was a brief overview of the index of the market, how the market looks like in the coming week or in the coming sessions. So outlook is positive if you're holding some stocks and these stocks are in losses. So don't just sell them in panic, hold on to them, because when the overall market is booming, market is going up, the index is going up, the stocks will eventually pick up as well. And particularly if you are holding those technology stocks, so hold on to it.